doing? I hope you all are fine and enjoying. So in today's video I'm gonna be vlogging my day. So tomorrow, that is on Tuesday, I'm gonna be going to my maternal aunt's house. So I thought let's just film a travel vlog to my maternal aunt's house. So I thought this video will be interesting to share with you all. So yeah, I hope you all will like this video. If you do so, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new around here, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to stay notified. And if you are also not following me on Instagram, then please follow me on Instagram, because I post daily updates of my new videos that are going to come on my YouTube channel, and I also post very interesting reels there. So please, you must follow me on Instagram. So please follow me on Instagram, and everything will be down below in the description box below. So please check out the description box. And yeah, I hope this video will be very interesting. This is my first ever travel vlog, so I don't know how this video is going to turn out. But if I make any kind of mistakes, then please forgive me. But yeah, I hope this video will turn out well. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, currently it's 4:27 in the evening, and I am just kind of just sitting and filming the video. So after some time, that is after 2.5 hours, I am having like my tuition, online tuition. That is at 7:30. I am having my online tuition, so I'll be filming that part as well. So I need to make some preparations for that. So the decision for making this vlog from today, rather from making it from tomorrow, is that tomorrow right in the morning, like at 8 o'clock, we are going to depart from our home to our maternal aunt's house. So maybe tomorrow in the morning I could not give like a kind of nice intro, I could not say hi, hello to you all nicely. So for that reason, I thought let me start this vlog from today instead of starting it from tomorrow. So for that reason, I have started this vlog from today. So today I don't have much thing to do. Today I have just a tuition after some time at 7:30. So I'll be preparing for that. Also the tuition is for 2 hours, but I'll be maybe reading it for 1.5 hours. Because I need to make some preparations for tomorrow. Almost everything is just prepared, like our luggages and everything are almost prepared. My outfit is also like ready, like which outfit I'm going to put. So I'll be showing you all everything, like which outfit I'm going to put and everything. But before that, as I'm having my tuition, so first thing what I'm going to do is that I'm going to now go and clean my desk and bring all of my books that I'm going to require for my tuition. So yeah, that is the thing that I'm going to do, and after some time I'm going to show you my outfit that I'm going to put tomorrow. And also tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day. I'm going to show you everything, and I think this video will turn out very well. I don't know whether this video will be that interesting or not, but I think this video will be well. So yeah, let's go. Also guys, one more thing that I thought I must say to you all guys is that we are not going to stay in my aunt's house. We are just going to go there, meet my aunt, my uncle, my sister, my nephew, everyone, and after that we are just going to return back to our house. We are not going to stay there. So yeah, and after that whenever I'll be reaching there, I'll be showing you all the views, how the place looks like, and everything present there, the nature, everything. And as this is my first ever travel vlog, I don't know how this is going to turn out. Maybe I am looking a little nervous, but I'll be trying to make this vlog like very interesting for you all guys. But from the next time, I'll be trying to make more of my travel vlogs more interesting. But yeah, anyways, so now it's almost the time to go for me to go and make my desk and like clean my desk. So first of all, I'm going to go and change my outfit, because this is the outfit that I'm wearing for my videos. So now I'm just going to go and change my outfit, take out my makeup, and after that I'm also going to clean my desk. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, you all are also going to come with me. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I have changed my clothes as you can see, and I have also taken off my makeup. I have done my skincare, everything. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm basically going to clean my desk, but before that I'm first going to show you the condition of my desk, because my desk is pretty very messy. So I will show you my condition of my desk, and yeah, then I'll clean my desk. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so 1 2 3. So see how messy my desk looks like. So messy. My desk is looking so messy. I don't know what this oranges are doing over here. My mobile, okay, that's pretty okay. My books are okay, but I don't know what these oranges are doing over here. And what is this? Basically, I don't know what this is doing over here, and this, I don't know what these all are doing over here. So I need to clean my desk, and yeah, first let me clean my desk and then I'll see you up, guys. So guys, as you can see, my bag is totally ready. I have like prepared everything, the things that we are going to need, and also our luggage, like all the bag in which we have taken our clothes, that are also ready, but I'm not going to show you all that stuffs. But in this bag we have taken all our like essentials, like our water bottle, our makeup essentials, our hair essentials, our sanitizers, medicines, etc., like travel essentials. All that stuffs are kept over in this bag. So yeah, this bag is ready, and yeah, so guys, now basically everything is done. Like I have already prepared, I have cleaned my desk, prepared my books, everything, and also I have showed you the bag in which I have prepared my travel essentials and everything. So everything is done. Also our luggage in which we have taken our clothes, also that is prepared. So now nothing is left. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to chill, and after some time I am having my tuition, so I will meet you up, guys, after my tuition gets over. So yeah, bye. Hi guys, so it had been a long time I had not filmed. So right now it's currently like 10 o'clock. So I had not filmed. I think last I filmed when I was having my online classes. So after that I had my online classes, and after that I was very tired and exhausted, so I didn't film much today. So yeah, so I already had my dinner, etc., and now basically I'll just watch a little bit of television and go to sleep. So yeah, I thought that let me just do the end of the vlog for today. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm just going to watch a little bit of television and then just sleep. So yeah, bye guys, see you all tomorrow, and tomorrow we are going to have an amazing day. So yeah, bye bye. Right now on the car, and there is a lot of music and like sound on the car. So for that reason I will meet you up, guys, after reaching my aunt's house. So bye bye. Finally reached here at my aunt's house, and currently the time is like 11:35. So yeah, we have finally reached here. Sorry for the background noises. So yeah, we have finally reached here, and now I'm going to have something for my breakfast, and then we are going out. So yeah, see you after some time. Also guys, one more thing is that at the car I was not able to film very nicely because at the car there were a lot of noises. Also in here also there are a lot of background noises, so sorry for that. And after some time when I'll go outside, I'll meet you up guys. But I don't know how this vlog is going, so if you like this vlog, please ensure to give this vlog a big thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you guys after. Hi guys, so now we are going out to a temple kind of. So yeah, so meet you there, and after that we are thinking to again return to my aunt's house, but we are not sure that we will return or not. But yeah, we are going to a temple kind of, but I think we are not able to shoot there. So if I am not able to shoot there, but I'll just show you the picture of the nature and everything. So yeah, see you there.